In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. If you've been working on a Google Sheet and noticed the grey lines separating your rows and columns, you might be wondering how to get rid of them. These lines, known as grid lines, are present by default to help organize and clearly distinguish the different cells. However, there are times when you might prefer a cleaner look, especially if you're planning to showcase or print your data. Thankfully, Google Sheets makes it easy to toggle these grid lines on or off based on your needs. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once you've got your sheet in front of you, take a moment to observe how the grey grid lines run between each row and column. These grid lines are there to visually help differentiate between cells, but we will learn how to turn them off for a tidier display of your spreadsheet. The next step is to navigate to the top of your screen. Here you'll find various tabs that provide different options for customizing your spreadsheet. For our task today, focus on the View tab. It's located near the top left corner of your screen and is instrumental in managing your sheet's appearance. Click on the View tab. This will open a drop-down menu with several viewing options. From this list, look for Show. Look for Show and hover over it to reveal another set of options. This section allows you to control what elements are displayed on your sheet. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Grid Lines. The grid line setting is your key to transforming the look of your sheet. Click on Grid Lines. Click on it once and you'll immediately notice the grid lines disappear from your sheet. Now you have a smooth, uninterrupted view of your cells, leading to a more polished and professional appearance. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or simply prefer a minimalistic look, hiding these grid lines can be quite helpful. To recap, turning off grid lines in Google Sheets involves a quick journey to the View tab, selecting the Show, and then clicking on Grid Lines. It's a simple process, but it can make a significant difference in how your data is displayed. If you ever decide you want the grid lines back, just repeat the steps and they'll reappear as if they never left. Consider whether you want grid lines visible for the specific task or audience you have in mind. For instance, hiding grid lines might enhance readability and presentability in reports or documents. With these simple steps, you have complete control over the visual styling of your spreadsheet, ensuring it meets your precise needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more tools in Google Sheets to further enhance your workflow.